So I had to pull an audible today. I went to the range, and when I lined up my red dot, I realized my battery was out. Part of the reason why I switched out my backplate to this gold backplate was specifically for this reason, if your red dot goes out. So this gives me an opportunity to do some backplate shooting, also known as point shooting or intuitive shooting. I'm going to try and line up my backplate, shoot 3 rounds from 3 yards, and try and hit this target on the left, number 1. There's going to be a guy holding a hostage. I'm going to do my best to try and not hit the hostage. Again, focusing on the back plate, superimposing that back plate on the target, and shooting without the help of that red dot. Guys, things happen, and you have to be able to adapt. So here we go.
If they come into my vision,
Now, full transparency, I haven't gotten to the range in almost 2 months. Been working really hard on getting my house together and doing a lot of things, but I was pretty proud of the fact that I was able, for the most part, to get my shots on target. Pull the target in here for you. And as you can see, the bad guy on the left caught 3 pretty well-placed shots, and I avoided little miss, don't hurt me, down here on the left. Okay, so just something to think about, back plate shooting if ever needed or necessary.